Hi everyone, this is Jim from City Bike Walk. I hope you are having a fantastic day. Today is June 22nd, and actually is will be the first day of Phase 2 reopening in New York City. So I thought, what better way to celebrate that would be to show you a business that's reopening. Today I'll be taking my iMac, and here it is. I'm taking it to get the hard drive, a new hard drive installed. So I'm already here on the Lower East Side on Orchard Street. So I'm just gonna walk over to this electronics computer hardware repair place and show you what that's like. This place is awesome. I haven't had a chance to go there too often, but every time I do go in and get something done, they do a bang up job, I gotta say. And the prices are amazing, so definitely check them out. If you ever need any sort of computer electronics repair, this is the place to do it. As you can see, a lot of places, at least some of the restaurants, are setting up outdoor dining. That's what Phase 2 of reopening in New York City allows. So yeah, it also allows some offices to reopen, and I'm not exactly sure of all the businesses that can open in Phase 2, but there are a lot, even including salons and barbershops. So this is a very important step in our recovery, at least economically. So I'm approaching Canal St. So I'll make a left. Should be around here. I spoke to them this morning, so they should be open. Yep. Right here. So this place is called High Tech Corp, High Tech Electronic Service Center. So they're located at 47 Canal Street in the Lower East Side. So yeah, I'm about to step in. Actually, I'm gonna take my camera off and put it on my chest cam. So we'll see. And back, about to step in. I called earlier this morning about the iMac hard drive replacement. Get these straps off. Got my bath towel to cover it. It's clean. Is this your first day opening since the...
No, I think even though
You were open before?
they've been open probably. I don't think they closed.
Oh, you guys never closed? Okay.
So,
Yeah, what do you...
what's wrong with it?
Nothing's wrong with it. I just want to get a larger hard drive.
You want to upgrade the hard drive?
Yeah. I have everything here.
You have the hard drive
Yeah.
that you want to put it into it.
Yeah.
Wait, you just want to put it in the hard drive.
Yeah. This is a 1 terabyte hard drive SSD. I think there's a 250 gig SSD in there.
And you just want to put this in there.
Yeah, I'll swap it out. Power cord.
Yeah, just leave it. You know what serial number is?
Serial number? Not sure. It might be. Let's see. It might be at the bottom. Let me see. It might be at the bottom here. Yeah. I don't know if you could see that,
yeah,
but.
yeah. Sorry, thank you.
You have lights? Turn on the lights.
This is what. Where is it? It's just an iMac, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it's an iMac late 2015.
Can I just get your name and then your phone number?
Yeah.
Okay. Phone number. Okay. Estimate of how much it's gonna cost.
Power cable. I'll put this in the bag. Hi.
You want to install it on that?
Yeah.
You're going to have to leave it.
Yeah, I'll leave it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just give him a ticket.
I get a ticket and everything. So everything's fine.
Just put the model number. Okay, that's good. Even though, that's it. That's it.
Oh, it's right that he put that, or bought that.
Yeah, put the hard drive there.
Up.
Like, right that he has the hard drive.
Yeah, put it here. That's it.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll give you a call once.
Okay.
everything's
Okay. How much do you think it might be?
We gotta see first.
You guys see first?
Yeah, we gotta check
Okay.
first.
All right.
You wanna save anything?
No, everything's
You
clean.
wanna wipe everything, right?
Yeah, it's wiped everything. Everything's wiped.
Alright.
Yeah.
There's no password, nothing, right?
No password.
Okay.
It's just clean. If it is, it's just enter. Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Alright, you're welcome.
All right. All right. Hey guys, so I just stepped out of High Tech Electronic Service Center over on 47 Canal Street. So I didn't get an estimate, but I'm pretty confident that they'll do a great job, and yeah, they'll give me a call back as soon as they find out if they can do the job and how much it will cost. So again, this is High Tech Electronic Service Center over on 47 Canal Street. Yeah, that'll do it for this video. Alright, see you on the next one. Bye. Just want to let you know I picked up my iMac from High Tech Service Center, and yeah, it was done. So I'll bring it home to check it out. The owner said he left both hard drives in the computer, so I'll check that out. So he said, yeah, the price came out to about $98, which is amazing. I've called other places. They said that they'll do the job for a hard drive replacement for $200 to $300, depending on the size of the hard drive, which is kind of ridiculous because you're doing the same job and you're just bumping up the prices just because of the size of the drive. And anyway, yeah, High Tech was able to do it for almost $100, which is a real bargain. But something like this would take, for most people, 2 to 3 hours to do, you know, and that's if maybe you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, and you gotta open up an iMac like this one, it's quite a delicate job, not easy. So if you have someone that could do it and won't mess up and break the glass, the iMac glass, have someone else do it, and they'll do it for cheap. So yeah, these places they're few and far between. There used to be a place on 23rd Street called TechServe, and they service only Macs. So they built a huge following and a huge culture of Macs. And I think they went out of business in 2016, which I don't know why, because, you know, we're in... Apple's a huge company making billions of dollars, and for them to go out of business, something must have gone terribly wrong. Either they couldn't afford their lease, or yeah, I don't know what was the deal. But yeah, those days are long and gone, so it's a lot hard to find repair shops. So if you do find one, hold on to it. And that's why I want to tell you about these guys, because they'll not just fix computers, but they'll fix all kinds of electronics. So as you saw in there, there's like a bunch of cameras and record players, old antiquated technology, even DVD players they'll fix. So they'll definitely check them out. All right, so a huge big plug for them. But I want them to stick around for a very, very long time, so definitely check them out. All right, so that'll do it for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.